In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide layers in PowerPoint. This is a simple but powerful way to manage complex slides, compare design variations, and keep your workspace tidy without deleting anything. Will work in the browser version of PowerPoint, but the idea is the same in most recent desktop versions. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft PowerPoint. Click through to the official Microsoft site and launch PowerPoint on the web. This ensures you're using a version that automatically saves your work and keeps everything in one place. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account so you can access your files. Use the account where your presentation is stored, whether that's a personal account or a work or school account. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be taken straight in after confirming your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your recent presentations and OneDrive folders. Choose the presentation you want to work on. If you're experimenting with visibility, it's a good idea to duplicate the slide you're editing so you can quickly compare versions later. You can do that from the thumbnail pane by copying and pasting the slide. Now let's talk about layers. In PowerPoint, layers are essentially the stacked objects on a slide: text boxes, shapes, images, icons, and charts. They're listed in the selection pane, which shows each object in order from front to back. If the pane isn't visible, look for the selection pane command in the ribbon. It's typically under Home or Shape format within the Arrange menu. In the selection pane, click the objects you want to hide. You can select one layer or hold Ctrl or Shift to pick multiple layers at once. Renaming items here can also help you keep track of what's what, especially on busy slides. To hide your selected layers, use the eye icons. Each object has its own eye icon you can toggle on or off. There's also an eye icon at the top of the pane with a line through it that controls visibility more broadly, letting you hide or show everything quickly. Click to hide the objects you don't want to see. Click again to bring them back. Hidden layers aren't deleted, they're just invisible on the canvas and won't appear in slideshow mode or exports until you show them again. When you're satisfied, review your slide in slideshow to confirm the hidden elements are truly out of view. That's all there is to it. Save your changes and you're ready to present a cleaner, more focused slide without losing any of your work behind the scenes.